Hey guys, I'm Slayer and today, I'll show you how to fix error code Vin81 in Valorant. If you're ready, let's get started. As a first step, type services into the search bar and open it. Click on a random one and press the V key. Find VGC, right-click on it and select Properties. In the tab that opens, select Automatic for startup type. Then click Start. Click Apply. Then click OK. Next, type Run into the search bar and open the Run command. You can also open the Run command by pressing the Windows and Enter keys simultaneously. Type msconfig in the Run command and click OK. Click the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Find VGC and check the box next to it. Finally, click Apply, then click OK. After making all these changes, don't forget to restart your computer. I hope this tutorial video on how to fix error code Vin81 in Valorant was helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.